the streets and realize that when that helicopter takes off at noon, it's going to be throwing dust everywhere and your stuff everywhere. So please, hold on to your stuff, hold on to your children. We don't want anything flying away.
What if we go to the corner?
We can just go behind this tree.
Once again, the pilots have asked us to clear you guys out by 11:55. That gives you just a few more minutes. If you guys could please clear the street and the sidewalk, we'd appreciate it. And I would encourage you, if you guys are going to be on the south side, that you cover your eyes, that you hold on to your bags, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of wind when that machine lifts off. Gabriel, I don't think they all believe me.
Look, that's what Pam posted after I said that.
Yeah.
Of them actually dying of eggs.
Posted a picture.
Yeah, look what I said.
That's probably why you are two phones to do that in that episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, you may be moving it a little bit down. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
So I guess they're just leaving. And oh yeah, I'm sure they have to inspect it every time.
Why is there a priest?
Because he's making sure everybody stays safe.
Keep behind the tree.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Keep behind the tree, Noah.
You can watch it, but if it's too windy,
Peek out.
All right, 10 to 12-year-olds, are you guys excited? If not, I'll take your eggs. It's cool.
there they go.
Bye-bye.
Seatbelts first. I think you should stand up, kids. If it kicks the dust, it's going to kick into your eyes more if you're right up against the dust.
Yeah. Stay up out of the... If it gets too bad, we can walk over to the corner. Okay, it's gonna start. We're starting it up right now.
The engines have started on the helicopter. This is your last warning to clear out from there. When that thing takes off, I'm telling you, it's going to throw every little bit of dust right in your face. I feel like you're not